Are you planning to sell your property in Illinois? Do you know about the attorney review and inspection period? Understanding these elements can be the difference between a smooth transaction and a bumpy, stressful sale. The attorney review and inspection period is a critical stage in the real estate transaction process. This phase typically kicks off right after an offer to purchase a property is accepted. It consists of two main components, the attorney review period and the inspection period. Let's begin with the attorney review period. Once an offer is accepted, both the buyer and seller have a window of typically 5 business days for their attorneys to review the contract. During this time, attorneys can recommend adjustments to the contract terms to safeguard their clients' interests. This review process opens the door for parties to negotiate any necessary modifications to the contract, such as contingencies, deadlines, or other provisions. Next up is the inspection period. This typically runs parallel to or immediately after the attorney review period. The buyer is given a period, usually between 5 to 10 business days, to thoroughly inspect the property. This period can be adjusted based on the contract's terms. During this phase, the buyer can hire professionals like home inspectors to evaluate the property's condition. Inspections usually cover the structure, systems like plumbing and electrical, appliances, and other features. If major issues are uncovered during this phase, the buyer can negotiate repairs or credits with the seller or even choose to withdraw from the contract. It's of utmost importance during both the attorney review and inspection periods for buyers and sellers to communicate effectively with their respective attorneys and agents. This ensures that all aspects of the transaction are properly addressed. Once these periods expire and any necessary negotiations are concluded, the contract becomes binding. The transaction then progresses to the next stages, such as securing financing, completing additional due diligence, and closing the sale. In conclusion, the attorney review and inspection period is a pivotal phase in any real estate transaction. It allows for the thorough review of the contract by legal professionals and a comprehensive inspection of the property. This phase ensures that both the buyer and seller are protected and that significant issues are addressed before the contract becomes binding. By understanding and effectively navigating this period, you can ensure a smoother, less stressful real estate transaction. So, if you're planning to sell your property in Illinois, make sure you're well prepared for the attorney review and inspection period.